Welcome back. It's now time for the Financial Week. Caribbean Information and Credit Rating Services, CARICRIS, has reaffirmed its high credit worthiness rating for the NCB Financial Group on both a national and regional scale. In its latest rating of NCB Financial Group, CARICRIS says it has maintained its CARI A+ rating for local currency and CARI A for foreign currency instruments. As for its local credit worthiness, CARICRIS assigned NCBFG a rating of JM AAA for local currency and JM AA+ for foreign currency. This means from a regional perspective, NCB Financial Group's credit worthiness is assessed as good by CARICRIS, while in Jamaica, the group is rated at the highest ranks. With these ratings, the agency has maintained a stable outlook for the financial group. CARICRIS says this is based on the expectations that over the next 12 to 15 months, NCBFG's financial performance would likely improve. It expects this to be supported by the banking and insurance operations. The ratings agency also projects the improving economic conditions in NCBFG's primary operating territories, along with the expected reduction in global interest rates, to positively impact the group's financial performance. CARICRIS says NCBFG's subsidiaries are also expected to remain well capitalized over the next 12 to 15 months. Despite the positive outlook, it says there are a few factors that could individually or collectively lead to a lowering of the ratings and outlook. It says the deterioration of any of NCB Financial Group subsidiaries below country-specific regulatory requirements, as well as lower credit ratings for the government of Jamaica and or the government of Trinidad and Tobago, would have negative implications. CARICRIS says NCBFG's cost-to-income ratio being 90% or above would also be problematic. Some more company news now. Don Wehby is temporarily stepping aside as CEO of the Grace Kennedy Group. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE, he says the leave of absence is to focus on his health. Mr. Wehby says GK Group's Chief Financial Officer, Andrew Mesado, will assume responsibility for the day-to-day running of the company. He says, however, he will remain involved at the strategic level of operations. Despite not giving a timeline, the notice says Mr. Wehby hopes to resume full duties in the near future. Mr. Wehby was appointed Group Chief Executive Officer in July 2011 after serving as Group Chief Operating Officer from October 2009. To the markets now. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $158.89. The Canadian is going for $117.53. $209.22 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $177.37. To the stock market now. The JSE index lost 2,403 points today, while the junior market index declined by 63 points. Among the 39 winners were Medical Disposables and Supplies, JMMB Group 7% shares, Paramount Trading Jamaica, JMMB Group 7.15% preference shares, and JFB. The 51 losers included MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares. Its ordinary shares were second, followed by Key Insurance Company, Access Financial Services, and KLE Group. 19 stocks closed the session, selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Financial Week. Please stay with us. Regional and international stories are right after the break.